Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Fit, and I'm gonna show you how to install additional watch faces on this device. Let's start by opening the HUAWEI Health app on our phone. Then tap on Devices, right here at the bottom. Now select HUAWEI Watch Fit from the list of devices. Then scroll down, find the watch faces category, and tap on More, right here. And now we have a list of recommended watch faces, and as you can see, they have install button under them. Basically find the watch face you like, for example this one, and tap on install button to install it. And after the watch face is done installing, it's gonna be applied to our watch. You can also tap on the watch face itself to view some information about it, like here, the size, the name of the creator, and if it's free or not. And you can also tap install button right here to install the watch face. Okay, let's go back. And now we can tap on mine right here. And here we have list of watch faces installed on our watch. And if we scroll down, we have the watch faces we installed right here at the bottom. We can tap on one, for example this one, and remove it by tapping the bin icon right here in the top right corner, then tapping confirm to remove it from our watch. And as you can see, it's gone from this list. And that's how you install additional watch faces on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.